take flight?
Who was? Too frank.
Say the emu from Australia and the great New Zealand kiwi.
Some birds were born to fly, but I just gotta be me.